Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this wait not swipe away just changes everything. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the design is pure genius, I was completely sold. It is a complete game changer. BC it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before the price goes back up. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this wait not swipe away just changes everything.